Did you know that hummingbirds can flap their wings 50 to 80 times per second during normal flight, and even faster, up to 200 times per second during courtship dives? This fast motion of wings creates a humming sound, hence their name, the hummingbird. They are the smallest migrating bird, but they don't migrate in flocks like other species. They are also the only birds that can fly backwards, which is pretty unique. They primarily eat nectar from flowers and insects, which is made easy by their long, slender beaks.